All right, for social studies today, you're going to go find actually, you're going to log into Launchpad first. Then you're going to go find your Studies Weekly app, the little green apple looking thing. Click it open. We are working on week 27 this week. So we are a third grader, so find grade 3. Now we're going to scroll down to week 27. Ooh, money today. Gonna like this one. So we are going to start out with the history of money, the very first one. So that's a 2-minute, 30-second read. Doesn't take you that long. You can always push the little play button and listen along. So after you get done reading, you have some coins to collect, some questions to collect for your rat house. Okay, that's all for today. I'll see you back here tomorrow. Have a great day. Love you. Bye.